Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I'm providing very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking. And I just don't want to go too much into the overview. You're all laughing. Yes, it is all about the meat processing factory. Okay, and that's a scandal that's going on. Nobody knew. Okay, and what is the meat processing means? They have to slaughter the cows and they have to process the meat to be in a edible form, and they have to slaughter the goats and the sheep and the lambs and the pigs and the chickens, and they have to process it according to the medical edible standard guidelines alone. So that's a scandal that's going on. Nobody knew, and they provide a tax scandal. That's a crime, isn't it? So I've provided meat processing factory, but if you go and see, look into that screenshot, I just took the nail and nailed on the forehead of Pope Francis one more time. If you go to the grocery, you will see Tyson, isn't it? Not the Mike Tyson you're talking. Okay, that's the fun part. The Mike Tyson is a boxer, right? I'm talking about the Tyson, like the T word, Tyson, or Purdue. So let's put the Tyson as the umbrella. If you go to the meat aisle, there'll be Tyson chicken meat, Tyson beef meat, isn't it? Tyson venison meat, Tyson bison meat, or whatever that comes under the classification of the meat, it will be there. The brand is Tyson. What are the other giants? Cargill. And there is JBS. and there is National Beef. These are the four giants of the meat processing unit fat manufacturing factories in entire United States of America. They are the giants after all. But what is the crime? They provided tax crime, tax fraud. They provided tax fraud. And they also created the robocall. And now can you all get it why Walmart threw the acid on my face? We all got fooled, isn't it? This Tyson and the Purdue, how many years they have been injecting hormones, the lethal preservatives for the meat to be having that shelf life, and we never knew, and we were eating those meat. Now can you all get it how I saved the innocent population life just by displaying the food label alone, organic food, and even then we don't know what's happening behind the scenes, isn't it? These people are so evil, they can do what not. They can do anything. We never know. All we see is the processed meat on the meat section. We pay $30 to $50 to get whatever meat we need. Sales tax, federal tax, and state tax. Then ingest that poison in our body because it will be genetic modified food, right? Because of all lethal hormones and chemicals and preservatives injected to the meat. We eat that. Then what happens? We get the gut leaky gut. They say, the wellness process doctors say, that there's a leaky gut, bloating, digestive problem, acidity, cancer, infertility, impotent. We never knew. We bring the chicken, we cook the food, we eat it. For our eyes, it is Tyson brand. Wow. When it is $3 per pound of chicken meat, Purdue provides $1. Oh, it is so cheap. People go look into the cheap ones for the grocery. They do not want to spend money. It's not their fault because the salary again is less. The cost of living increases. They have to pay the gasoline cost even to get into the grocery at the first place, isn't it? At least if they would have used the public transport like buses or the, trains to go to the grocery, at least that gasoline skyrocketing cost could have been saved, and they could use that cost at least for the getting a healthy food, organic food in the meat market, the whole, right, the retails. So how long this meat, you're not going to chicken, that's only not only chicken, right, that's frozen pieces in the retails. So then the meat goes to the McDonald's, the meat goes to the Burger King, the meat goes to the Kentucky Fried Chicken facility. This processed meat goes everywhere, you name it, restaurants, right? Culvers, Panera bread. We don't know how the people are doing the cooking in the kitchen behind the scenes. We don't. And we know whoever the youngsters, whoever worked on the Kentucky Fried Chicken or the McDonald's, they say a lot of stories. They do not cook it up. If the Kentucky Fried Chicken, after frying, it falls down on the ground, they have to put it back in the box and sell it. We only stay on the outside, right? Even if we are dining in the Kentucky Fried Chicken, or even if we are in the car on the outside waiting in the queue for the delivery, what is it called? Drive-through. We don't know what's happening inside. But then it all goes by the human belief, isn't it? Blindest faith, blindest trust. Oh, they are humans only. The people who are working in McDonald's are humans and they're not monsters. So we go by word of faith, isn't it? We pay $5 for a burger. Sales tax, federal tax, gasoline cost, waiting time in that queue, the long queue. If it's on a very busy day during the vacation season, all these fast foods will be very crowded, isn't it? So we have to wait in the car, we have to wait in the queue. Then we have to get that food. When people are hungry, going hungry, they will not, their brain will not even operate what's going on behind the scenes, the crime. So that means behind the scenes they can spit on the food. Taco Bell's, the nachos dip. Oh, it tastes good, isn't it? The chalupa. But we don't know anything, right? They can spit on your food. They can sneeze on your food. They can put the food on the ground and roll it over. We don't know anything, but we all go by the blindest faith, the word of faith, isn't it? Why? We have that family values, the family bondings, right? We never ask our own parents when they're cooking, oh mom, did you sneeze on the cooking food and gave that food to me? No, right? We know when mom cooks, it is be a loving cook. Each and every single ingredient will be out of love, clean love, right? So you all might be asking, okay, this session is I do not want to, I will keep short, but you all might be wondering why on the earth this lady is talking about the meat processing unit. Hey, my fellow mankind, this meat processing is one of the retail business. From farming facility to the meat processing. Farmers grow the chickens. Farmers grow the pigs. They use the truck and they send it back to this meat slaughtering process. The chickens, when they are going on the truck, they are thinking, oh, they are having a one nice long trip. I know you all are laughing. Because animals do not have brains, isn't it? They just cannot think correctly. Even when you're slaughtering the chickens, they don't know. Back in Tamil Nadu, they don't even have to wait for the slaughtering house for the chicken. We get the chicken, people get the chicken at home. At home itself, they'll use the processor and they cook. So, I'm talking about what went wrong. We don't know about the preservatives. We all see how, and as if this meat processing is not enough, they even make the meat as in the powder form. So we don't know what exactly is going on in the powder as well, right? They say, see, there's a collagen. Oh, your hair, it's very good. The meat soup, what is called broth, chicken broth. Chicken meat soup. So we all go by the word of faith only because we don't know anything what's going on behind. Because they have the fancy container, isn't it? When President Trump was mocking the Goya canned food, he passed out a message. Only wisest people can get it. Fools were just mocking him. Why on the earth President Trump is saying Goya foods when there is already COVID-19 crisis that's going on worldwide? This is exactly what it is. How many seafoods are canned? How many pickled? How many olives and how many the cucumbers are pickled? We don't know that's going on inside the bottom, isn't it? We all go by the faith because we all think the wisest things, we are all humans. When I go and get a burger or whatever from the Culver's or McDonald's, chicken nuggets or whatever, I see them as humans only. They are providing wholly for public services, right? Just because people cannot cook in the home. I already said, people can still cook their own burgers at home, isn't it? They don't even have to go to the McDonald's to get a burger anymore. They can make their own buns from the scratch, the breads, right? But when we are going to put the ingredients, we know what is going on inside that product versus when they are selling it, we don't know anything. But so that means we all put the blindest belief on these people, right? But they took that blindest belief for granted, that innocence for granted to exploit the entire human population. So how about, so that is that boilless chicken crime, that is one crime. And these meat processing, the Tyson and Cargill, JPs and National Beef Association, they are the four giants for entire meat processing in United States of America for all the 50 states. You don't know what's going on there, isn't it? And but on the other end, what we can know, what we all are aware of, there are humans, they sweat their blood, they wear the clothing, meaning preventative measures, that's all. Because when they have to handle with the raw meat, they have to wear the gloves, they have to wear the head covering, they do not want their hair to fall on that food, they do not want their nails to be cut down and mixed in the meat processing, right? When it is minced meat, it's minced meat. We don't know what's going on there. It can be any meat. They can say there is only chicken meat, but in that chicken meat they can stuff in anything, any garbage. We don't know, right? It can be camel meat, it can be bison meat. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We are all humans, we like to think alike, isn't it? Don't you all think that what if there can be any human meat inside that minced meat? We don't know. We don't know anything. There are cannibals worldwide. They eat human meat. So, how these medical professors and doctors who are covering for these meat processing facilities forever, so they can get away free with any crap, right? Any crap. Now, today, this moment, I just nailed on the Pope Francis. He can either say Hail Mary, Holy Smokes, or whatever. I just nailed him. I chopped his head. I'm chopping his head non-stop. I will. Because the crime is deadliest, isn't it? Deadliest. We don't know what the sauces go, what ingredients are there in the sauce. It looks like a mayonnaise. It looks like a ketchup. It looks like an Alfredo sauce. It looks like a pasta sauce. We don't know what's exactly is in there. There is a saying, common saying, people wanted to kill late Hitler in many ways. That means even for the frustration of working with the toughest human bomb, Hitler, the people who were working under him, they were even wanted to spit on the tea or the coffee or the food that's been served to Hitler. That's how people are super frustrated. But then, that is just one part. He's an innocent man, right? We all don't know. The hidden message is what? When we go get the food from all these fast foods, all these restaurants, we never know. Our brain will not even think on that side, isn't it? Our brains will never even think on that side because for us it's a family bonding process. We see the people who are low wages only, regardless of the colors only. They'll be working on McDonald's, Subway, Panda Express, whatnot, Chinese food, Japanese food, all these fast foods only. So we see them as a humans, like how we see them in our own family, right? So that is why our brains will not even think on that route. We'll never think on that route. Now trace to the COVID-19 crime that Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks provided with the mask, and what they tell. They even provided a video shows, right? How when a person coughs, how long that cough passes. So that is why we have to maintain 6 feet along. That's a crime. It's a show. They have to provide that show because they know this way the Priya is nailing down on each and every single crime, and they want to create that havoc. Because when people fear, do you think when all these things are known to the population, how many people will even go back to the restaurant? People will go back to the restaurant because of that family bonding think. They can see the employees who are working for McDonald's or meat processing plant as their own family members, right? Like their own brothers and sisters, right? No matter what. When you go to the restaurant, regardless of the color skin, the waiters, the waitress, there will be different colors only. But looking at them, we can easily figure out how much of 75% to 85% of the people are only younger children. They want to go to that and earn that little bit of amount to save their college savings, right? They want to help their family here and there because student loan is skyrocketing. How much of these they have to undergo through. They have to witness it and they have to still pass by in silence. Right? How many waiters, how many bartenders have been treated less than a third in each restaurant? Be it McDonald's, be it Taco Bell, be it Cheesecake Factory, you name any restaurant. How? Why? So, but when we humans are going to the restaurant and sitting in and dining out and having an excellent family time together, our brains will never even think on that route. Oh, can they even provide that kind of toxins in the food which we are going to eat? And that too we are paying dollars, right? If you go to Olive Garden, $100. If you're going to restaurants, it will be minimum $100. Right. If you're going to the fast foods, it's not $100, but it's still a cost. It's a cost. It will be minimum $10 to $25. Right. If you're going to have a milkshake or an ice cream or a burger or a chicken nuggets or a pizza, everything comes between that $10 to $25 range. At top of it, we have to pay that sales tax, we have to pay the federal tax, spend gasoline, and top of it there should be peace in the family. Then what if there is a family feud? People are not cooking at home, then people have to go out and eat. Or what if the people are mandated to be single? Some people will not even feel to cook because of whatever stress and the emotional trauma they are undergoing through. Some people who are undergoing through those emotional things, they will not be in a position to even cook the food. So that is why there will be caregivers in the form of neighbors, the community, the friends, the families, members who will cook food and deliver to them on the doorstep. Because when there is too much of emotional things that's going on, people will not have that mindset to cook. So there again, that's another scandal. The doctors, they say, oh, okay, you can create all these serving food facilities for these, providing for these caregivers. It can be seniors too, old age people too. But that's again scandal. What if they are going to throw all these kind of intoxicated meat in their soups or vegetables which you are going to eat? Well, we all are there in the same boat. Nobody escaped this. Even President Trump, President Obama, President Joe Biden, for the recent track records, they all must have had food in the food, fast foods, isn't it? One way or the other. We never knew what's going on in the what's going on in the pie, what's going on in the ice cream, what's going on in each of the every single cake. We don't know anything. How on the earth they are, they do not get destroyed and always having a long shelf life. They don't know, because these toxic chemicals, when they inject, it creates that. But it creates an adverse effect for you and me, civilians like you and me, because our body cannot tolerate it. And that's again, it creates an unhealthy reaction and creates cancer. Got it? So how Pope Francis is only creating cancer is also proved. Nobody knew. How many populations of cancer have to lose their hair forever? How many cancer patients have to lose their organs forever? How many patients have to undergo through that chemotherapy session after session after session? How many? How many? All tax fraud, my dear fellow mankind. Queen Elizabeth is able to live 90 plus years. Why? How? Don't you all think if you all dump all the Taco Bell and the Popeyes and the Burger King and the Kentucky Fried Chicken and Panda Express, Kung Fu Chicken and the Japanese sushi, all in the mouth of Queen Elizabeth too? Will she eat it? You tell me. I already said back in Tamil Nadu, the going to the restaurant is only a recreation. Yearly, it's very rare. They make it as an occasion to enjoy. That's how they go. But here, they made it as a business, mandate it as a business to make it every single day business. McDonald's have to open by 6 a.m. for the breakfast. By 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, they have to get prepared for the lunch. And between 5 p.m., between 3 p.m. to up until 7 or night, late night, 10 o'clock, they have to prepare for the dinner. Non-stop, the people have to work. They have to sweat their blood and work. So one side hard, people are working hard, not even aware. They are going to pick up the frozen chicken meat from the fridge because the brand is going to be either Tyson or Cargill or JPS or National Beef Meat. Only they have to take it from the frozen refrigerator. So when these meat are to be protected or preservative means the doctors provides the guidelines. This much of temperature cold only it should be preserved. Otherwise the meat will be decayed. It will be intoxicated. So what if the McDonald's have a power shutdown in the facility and still takes the meat and then still fries it and gives it to you and me? We don't know, right? So one side there is a faith, belief on the humanity also got destroyed. It's never their fault. It's never the fault of McDonald's, but it's all a chain reaction. It's all a chain reaction. What would you all have done? What would you all have done? What would you all have done? Can you all see why Walmart threw acid on my face? It took 24 minutes. This is overview. Because this is all related, isn't it? When you're going to eat this kind of meat or this kind of a scandal, what effect can even Pfizer medical drug or vaccination will have on your body? Along with when you're drinking a glass of whiskey, along with your puffing of smoke from the tobacco. What effect will your body will have when you're watching a pornography in style? Or there is a prostitution or a nightclub, strip club. All tax crime only. All these are comes under the food classification only. Right? Seeing the nudity of the fellow mankind. In true Christianity, there is never such thing called that seeing nudity of other fellow mankind. No. So Pope Francis has to say whether he knows what is pornography. Pope Francis has to say whether he knows what is nightclubs, strip clubs, when he is the one who created Las Vegas Sin City, the casinos. It'd be super fun. I chopped his hand and I'm chopping his head. So same thing goes with the ice cream parlor, ice cream shops also, isn't it? The ice cream means it has the eggs or whatever they want to mix, they mix. The milk, they all must be preservative, they all must be protected in the rightful medical standards of cold temperature. So for sometimes people will figure it out. Oh, I just had the pizza from Pizza Hut. Oh, I'm getting diarrhea. Right? Oh, I just had the rice from the Indian restaurant. Oh, see, I'm getting a cough. Oh, I got the cold. I got the fever. What's going on? Oh, I went to Taco Bell's and got the nachos. Oh, I don't know what's going on inside my. There's something, lot of sounds that's going on inside the belly. Right? So we are all innocent, and they took that the innocent for granted and exploited us. That's all. So $500,000 trillion of compensation is medical compensation. It's the cheapest medical compensation. I never asked for McDonald's. I never asked for Walmart. I never asked for Amazon. I never asked for meat processing plantation. If Pope Francis wanted to create that kind of disaster, he should have even provided at least healthy guidance of paying the medical compensation, right? Side by side. If you're going to get chicken nuggets from Happy Meal from McDonald's, you will get $1 billion for your taking care of your health. How easy it would have been. If you are going to get a burger with the French fries from Burger King, you are going to get $1 million for your medical care. If you are going to get a bowl of rice from the Indian restaurant or the Chinese restaurant or the Japanese restaurant, you are going to get $1 billion medical care free. How that would have been great, isn't it? So $500,000 trillion direct deposit in my bank account is the cheapest one. Nobody will dare to ask, because the crime provided by the meat processing plantation, Tyson, the Cargill, the JBS, the National Beef Association, they all became riches by creating diseases for you and me. We never knew. And doctors also got in the plan in this crime. And Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth provided that crime. So you all tell me who should be fried in ashes. For me, my brain says Pope Francis, Queen Elizabeth, two Islam leaders, all those craps and prostitutes must be fried in ashes. I can bail out Tyson. I can bail out Cargill. I can sit side by side as a true friend, as a guardian angel. I have to say, I can educate to them. Hey, dear Tyson, see, you are doing a holy public services, food service, providing services, right? You have to be very, very careful, right? Like how you provide food for your mom, for how you provide food for your parents, how you provide your food for your family and friends. Like that only you have to work. Just say a word of prayer and then provide this meat processing thing. And then they will never create all these intoxications, isn't it? So, one side the scandal is growing on. What did Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brink says? Oh, there is no God. Oh, Holy Bible is wrong. Only science is great. Believe the science. They injected that toxin already. Right? That is why the atheist population are there. They are patients after all. And how with my education, how the atheist population shouting, there is God. There is God. There is God. With God, all things are possible. Why there is God is known only to the wisest, isn't it? These people were thinking for that they must be there in the market for again like Walmart only 30, 50 years, right? Probably. How much of dollars they must have earned by creating diseases for you and me alone. Only now there is an organic food labeling on the meats. That is only few years, maybe 5 years. Before that it was not there. It was not that common. When a pound is $1, when a pound of meat is $10, population will go towards the $1 one, because the cost of living, low income, they never knew. For them, it's a meat is a meat. And top of it, when all these toxicated meats are provided, these foolish people will say, see, we eat only raw meat. So cook it raw. We want to see that blood in that meat when it's getting cooked like that. There are foolish people who order. So that is why there's a menu also in that hotels, restaurants, right? Do you want your meat to be cooked raw or medium rare or fully cooked like that? And they will get all the tapeworms inside their body. It will not go away. Doctors will prescribe medical after medical. They will eat. For that time they will be okay, and they will get sick after sick after sick. Joint pain, bone pain, cancers. So what would you all have done? And because the session is going beyond, I do not want to go take more sessions. You all got it, right? So I've instead of providing one name at a time, one giant at a time, they are giants. So I nailed them on their forehead. So who am I? I'm providing clues. You keep working on who am I. Pope Francis will be thrown in volcano any moment. Watch and see. So what would this meat processing facility would have done during this COVID-19? We were still getting the meat no matter what. So we never knew when they were processing the meat, whether they sneezed on the meat, whether they coughed on the meat. We never know. That goes with the telling even for vegans. Even vegans can say, see, we vegans are eating only vegans. Even vegetables, fruits are vegans, right? We don't know whether they sneezed on the vegetables, sneezed on the fruits. So we all are trapped in this fallen, in the thing. So $500,000 trillion, if they're going to pay, then it is, I took the cane in my hand and I disciplined them in the rightful way. Don't y'all think so? Never ever in their dream, this Tyson or the Cargill or the JBS, even when they go take shelter in the coffin, they will not dare to hurt fellow mankind. That is how the civil justice should be. So they all have been living free because Pope Francis created the criminal law. Because these crimes, the tax fraud comes under the criminal law. And it is legalized. Pope Francis says the meat processing, injecting toxins, hormones is legal. Doctor says Las Vegas, the prostitution facilities, the nightclubs, the strip clubs, the pornography is legalized. It's a law. Oh, it is excellent because they want to have revenue out of it, tax revenue out of it. That comes under the criminal law. What the civil justice says, it takes a cane, right? That's always a common saying, the kick the whatever, you fill it in, right? When they're seeing a toughest carp, they say, oh, that carp is a killer carp, right? They know what does the toughest carp be. I am the toughest carp. $500,000 trillion medical compensation must be paid on my bank account. It's as simple as that. That's my birthright. When they have to provide whatever healthy solutions, and they provided all the health tax fraud also, then it is the United States of America that have to pay the tax to me every single day. $1 billion per second per 24 hours every day forever. Even after die, they have to pay me the tax forever. That is a crime they provided. Yes, my dear fellow mankind. It took 35 minutes. I do not want to go beyond this. Okay. So with that said, I will stop right here of my overview and I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. And I provided for an easy understanding meat process factory. They call it in the medical world meat processing plant or chemical plant or chemical. But then the plant creates confusion, right? So I have to provide factory here. And when all these processing are provided, they also have to provide the healthy toxins wastage process too, right? So what would you all have done, my dear fellow mankind? What would you all have done? In this COVID-19, how many population worldwide, they never even bothered. We went to grocery store, we still got the meat, we still got the fish, we still got the milk, we ate it. We went to the market, we went to the butchering market, we ate it. Because when all this scandal are going, we humans are humans only. We are born champions of humans only. We know only clean love, isn't it? Our brains will never even think around that route. So Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks, they provided the deadliest scandal of COVID-19 and forever they will regret. Note it down. Note it down. Forever they will regret for that crime they provided. They will just regret for it forever. That means even when they take shelter in the coffin, regardless of their religious faith, they'll be regretting. So that is why the prevention of injustice is good. They say prevention is better than cure, right? In medical world. Prevention of injustice, stop providing injustice means that is the healthiest process any civilian can help the justice people in the nation. I was only providing that, and they threw acid on my face. They threw acid on my face. I don't know how many of the Department of Justice teams are living or died. I don't know. But even if they're going to take the shelter in coffin one fine day, they will be regretting that they crucified me for me being innocent. With that stress alone, forever they will die. And all along, I was just educating only wisdom. Please prevent injustice. Please sign justice to me. They never listened. They never listened. I displayed Pope Francis as the hell creator. They signed injustice to me. Can you see why I never got help from anybody? Hewlett Packard laid me off because I displayed Pope Francis created the hell. Medicaid, Medicare operation itself is wrong. Just stop it. Or take my design processing. I can help you out. They just laid me off. Banking sector, the Associated Bank, they laid me off because I'd upfront displayed Pope Francis as a creator. That is why banking sector is all broken down in pieces, shattered in pieces. They laid me off. Well, I said people should never be paying any tax on any of the foods. So Walmart threw acid on me. Walmart knew Pope Francis is the creator because that's what I was educating, right? So they just threw acid on me. Amazon threw acid on me. Acid once, acid twice, acid thrice, or that much of cars thrown on me, bombarded on me. When all I was lifting Holy Bible and was asking only civil justice. Am I human or what? I communicated clearly only, crystal clear only. Please sign justice for me. I displayed Pope Francis' crime upfront to the Department of Justice and asked, these are the crimes Pope Francis provided. Please sign civil justice for me. They signed injustice. They must be only puking worms. They are so super, they are the prostitutes, right? So even when they're going to take the shelter in the coffin, they will die out of that stress for crucified me, for when I was always talking about the wisdom only. Can you all see this COVID-19 itself displaying Pope Francis the criminal? People got it, isn't it? People wanted proof. People wanted proof. What would you all have done? What would you all have done? Okay, it went 40 minutes, so I will stop right there, okay, no matter what. For I, Vedapriya Pro se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars. Yeah, I educated the same to the state of, Secretary of State of Wisconsin also. So nobody helped, nobody helped. And I am living in the human kingdom where there are 7.9 plus billions of humans. And there are no humans here. There are no women here. There are no men here. Right? That's what people are proving. For I, Vedapriya Pro se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Pro se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me, scandal faces of Republican Europe nations worldwide, Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of Europe, USA tax fraud, March of 2021 is proved. This crime that I'm providing, it's directly another version of the Holocaust that was provided long time back in the early 19th century. People were same helpless mode then, today also same helpless mode, but not anymore, because I am the mouthpiece for them, for entire human kingdom. When I'm saying USA signed off the job offer to me, entire human kingdom will be protected and built out, means that is the truth. People have to believe me blind test. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, meat process factory provided tax fraud. It's crime. Is provided by I Vedapriya, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Queen Elizabeth II provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Pope Francis provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, GOP Mitch McConnell provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, President Trump 2016 to 2020 and President Joe Biden between 2020 to 2024 provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Roman province, Jesuits organizations of state of Wisconsin, state of Michigan, state of Illinois, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by I Vedapriya pro se. Note, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and meat process factory created Robocall poverty mandate enforced poverty disabled to I Vedapriya pro se on October 2018 is proved for prostituted Republican government of USA to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge of job of USA on October 2018. That rightful belonged to I Vedapriya pro se. Civil law must be provided now without delay. I Vedapriya pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government as in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and meat processing factory created Robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya pro se abruptly on October 2018 and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly. And as of quarter 1 of 2021, that is January 2021, February 2021, March 2021, to I Vedapriya pro se enforced finance disabled to I Vedapriya pro se abruptly. It is crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, use the Republican government and use the Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis and meat processing factory created Robocall poverty mandate is proved, and so civil justices. I Vedapriya pro se want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000+ and sign off tax-free $5,000, and at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence, use the Republican government and use the Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis meat processing factory created Robocall poverty mandate is fatal negligence, so must sign off tax-free $1,500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now. It is 46 minutes, but that's how it happens whenever I provide overview. Please understand the deadliest crime that's going on. It's not 1 day or 2 day crime. It needs to be fixed now. Civil justice must be signed now. And I must get the rightful job. Who is Brett Kavanaugh to steal the rightful Supreme Court job that rightful belongs to me? Right? So I should get the civil justice only from the Holy Bible guidelines only. So Pope Francis should say whether he knows what is Holy Bible, or Pope Francis should say don't know what is Holy Bible. Either ways I want the case. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.